Hello students, welcome to our video lecture in the subject of Organization of Commerce and Management. I am Professor A.G. Sabre from Residential Junior College, Ahmednagar, and I am herewith presenting you next topic from the chapter Introduction of Commerce and Business, that is role of profit in the business. Students, through last video lectures, we learned the concept of business and its objectives. While learning objectives, we learned that in today's business, every business organization have economic as well as social objectives to survive in this competitive business world. As we learned that profit earning is not the sole aim of business firm, but still earning profit is essential to conduct smooth flow of business. Whatever profit earned by the business firm, it is utilized for the future development of the business. For various developments in business firm, money is required. That money can be raised by earning reasonable profit. With the help of different points, we can discuss the role of profit in the business one by one. Number 1. Return to investors. As we know that for conducting business, capital is required. One should invest capital in the business with intention to earn money. So, when can we give returns on this investment? Yes, absolutely. When we earn money, then only from these earnings in the form of profit, we are able to give returns to the investors. Therefore, profit is essential in the business activity. Number 2. Research and development. Customers are demanding innovative products. For these innovations, time to time, business organizations have to spend money on research and development. As well as modern technology should be adopted by business firms. For all these developments, business firms required funds available. These funds can be raised by earning profit. So, profit is required to make developments in the business firm. Number 3. Growth and expansion. Every businessman have a dream to expand his business activity from local market to global market. For this, he has to spend money on improving quality of product, on marketing of products, on research and development, on adopting modern technology, etc. Similarly, to expand his business activity from one shop to another shop, from one branch to more branches, etc. For all these kinds of developments, businessman needs money. This money can be raised by earning profit. Therefore, we can say that for the growth and expansion of business, profit is essential. Number 4. Increases efficiency. The success of business firm depends upon the efficiency of employees. When workers or employees are working efficiently in the business firm, absolutely, when they are satisfied with your working conditions, they can give their best. And when they are satisfied, they are satisfied when they get proper and timely wages and salaries. To make these payments on time, business firm requires profit. When firms earns profit, they can be helpful to increase the efficiency of employees, which will beneficial for business firm. Number 5. means of livelihood. The intention of anybody to start business is to earn money for fulfilling or to meet personal and secondary needs. One should live his life with better standard with the help of money. This money can be raised by earning profit. So for better livelihood, businessman requires profit through his business activity. Number 6. Reward for risk. Business is conducted in anticipation of earning profit. But there is no certainty of profit as risk is inevitable in every business. A businessman invests capital in the business and also takes the risk of incurring losses. Thus, earning profit is like getting reward for accepting risk in the business. Next, number 7. Survival. During the initial stage, survival of any business is difficult due to the lack of experience and ever-changing market conditions. If the business keeps earning some profit, then also it can survive and try for better. But if it starts incurring losses, then the businessman will have to close his activity. Thus, the very existence of any business depends upon its profit. Next, number 8. Reputation. Reputation or goodwill is an important intangible asset of every business firm. When any firm is suffering from losses, it is hard for the firm to establish itself in the market. On the contrary, profit earning firms has goodwill in the market. Customers have faith on such reputed business firms. So, profit is required to have reputation in the market. Students, through today's video lecture, we learned the role of profit in the business through various points. Hope you understood it well. Stay home and study from home safely. Thank you.